Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These backpack coolers. Let me give you the measurements first. The unit's length is about like a 35.5 inches long. And depth of the unit is about like a 21 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 35.5 inches tall. We can see the units front have a 2 doors. They are slidings and shove the close. We also can see they have a locker in the middle, can secure a unit. And when we open it, we can see they have a 1-2 adjustable layers, total 4 racks. And also having the LED lights on the top of the strips. And also have a big circling fans at the behind of the units. The controller is mounted at front at the bottoms, and you can set in the temperatures. They have a smart covers on it. Now from behind of the units, you can see there is a 110 power plugs, standard US plugs, and the compressor is mounted at the bottoms. And also they do having the ETL sanitation stickers at the behind, coming with the cost sheets and the diagrams from the manufacturers. Now let me give you the inner side dimensions. For this rack, it's about like a 14 inches deep. And the length of the unit is about like a 32 inches wide. And the overall height for the door space is about like a 29.5 inches tall. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.